Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas, and today in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash review slash test of this bad boy I just ordered right here, the Panasonic 14-45mm lens. Let's get it. I'm making 2018 all about new gear, new year, no fear, full beard. So what I did is I ordered a new lens for my GH4. Now I use my GH4 for mostly vlogging, and the lens that came with mine is an Olympus 25mm. Now don't get me wrong, I've been using this in the first 5 of my vlogs and it's been fine, but as you may know, that any micro four thirds sensor, the 25mm gets bumped up by 2 or multiplied by 2. So technically this is a 50mm, and quite frankly, I got tired of filming myself and my face just be enlarged. You know, I want to get more of the background and the places I'm at. So this did what it did. I worked with the work, but it was time to upgrade. I ordered this, it was only maybe like $300. There was a 12mm one out there that was going for, I think it was a f1.4 for like $1,300, and I'm good off that. Like, I'm keeping it simple, going to the basics. So let's do an unboxing of this. So here it is, the Panasonic 14-45mm Lumix lens. It gets down to a f3.5, which I mean isn't great, but it isn't bad either. I don't think that's going to be a problem with me, what I'm using it for. You get a ring. You get this cool, I think that was it's a case. You get a cool lens case. Instruction manual, but I'm good off that. And here it is right here. I always loved this type of paper when I was a kid, just making them popping noises. This one ain't as good. Oh, there we go. I got a pop out of it. And here it is. 14-45mm. Pretty compact. You know, my first choice initially was, I think, a 14mm pancake lens, if I'm not mistaken, but they didn't have no more. So I said, why not scale it up and get the 14-45? Because essentially a 14mm on the GH4 is going to equivalent to, what, 28mm? And I think that's going to be wide enough for what I'm trying to do, especially for predominantly using it for vlogs. It's a nice piece of glass right there. So I'm going to attach this to my GH4, and then I'm going to run some tests and show you guys some footage of this bad boy in action. Carter, what you doing, big man? Carter, you look pretty pimp in the pink, man. You remind me of your old man. Yo, Carter, you playing for lint roller? You playing for lint roller? Trying out this new lens. Skirt, skirt.
Come to the window, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, shots to the $5 box, man.
I love the fact that I can get a pretty wide shot and get everything in the background. The autofocus is okay. There's been some instances where it took a little bit longer to get myself in focus and everything in the back, but I definitely get my full face and I'm not all up in the camera, as you could tell from my first vlogs on the channel, and I couldn't be happier. You know, for $300, I mean, well worth the purchase in my book. So I'll leave a link in the description where you could purchase the lens. I purchased mine off Amazon. I'll leave that in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video. If it was helpful and you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, as well as tutorials and vlogs, don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video. Also, go ahead and go in the comments. Tell me if you like this lens. Tell me what you don't like about this lens. And tell me perhaps what you want to see me bring to the channel this coming year. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.